Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my previous video, I told you that the price action of YFI token can reach up to $30,000. Before that, I want to show you some recap for the people who are not following my analysis and videos on YFI token. This was the YFI with US dollar pair chart that I shared with you guys on 3rd of October. And here I told you that the price action of YFI token is completing the final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern. And after entering in this potential reversal zone of the butterfly, as per Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, it will be moved up to this Fibonacci projection. This is a projection of A to D leg. And now I'm playing this chart. You can see that the price action entered in this potential reversal zone almost up to $7,400. And now it has reached almost at $30,000. So this is more than 300% rally. And another chart I posted on the 3rd of October, that was YFI with Bitcoin pair. And here the price action, same as like on the US dollar pair, it was completing the final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern. And I told you that as per Fibonacci sequence of the butterfly, it will complete the final leg. And from here, from this PRZ level, it will be moved up. You can see that the final leg has been completed. And now it is moving towards this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. So this trade also has produced more than 230% rally so far. Now, if we move back to the live chart, this is a live daily chart. Previously, when I posted my previous video, at that time the price action was here and it was struggling at the $20,000 resistance level. And I told you that the price action is also moving in a symmetrical triangle. Let me just show you what I said in my previous video. More powerful bullish rally. Now, if we take a look on the smaller time period chart, that is a 4-hour chart, the price action was moving in a bullish pennant, and finally today the price action has broken out this resistance of the pennant. Now, if we place this trend line from the tail of this pennant up to the support and place it here, then our next targets can be up to at almost $25,000. I'm expecting up to $25,000 because if we take a look on the daily chart, then here we have a very strong resistance of $30,000. And if we move back to the 4-hour chart, then here we have a minor resistance of $25,000. It can be seen here. You can see that here we have the minor resistance of $25,000. It has been working as a support, and after that it has been working as a resistance as well. So it can be a minor resistance, but once the price action will be able to break out the $25,000 resistance level, then on the daily chart it can be easily seen that from even from $20,000 to $30,000 on the daily chart, we don't have any significant resistance. But on the 4-hour chart, we are watching a $25,000 minor resistance level that can be a minor hurdle for the price line. The price action may hit the $25,000, and if that minor hurdle or resistance will be broken out, then the price action can move further to the $30,000. And in case the $30,000 resistance level will be broken out, then the price action can retest the previous highest price, and that is beyond $40,000 as per Binance chart. So here, this was the short clip that I've shown you, that what I told you in my previous video, and now we can see that the price action faced minor hurdle at the $25,000. And after, you can see that here the price action, as I told you, that we have a minor hurdle, minor resistance of $25,000. Here the price action once rejected, and after this rejection the price action moved at this level a little bit sideways, and after that the price action broke out this level and reached at $30,000, very close to $30,000. Now this is really very strong resistance for the price action, because this is the previous left and right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern that I have been showing in my previous videos as well, because this was the head and shoulder pattern, this was the left shoulder, this was the right, and this is the head. So therefore maybe the price action will be rejected, and the $25,000 will be again our previous support that was working as a resistance. But if we take a look on the different simple moving averages, like we have this 100 simple moving average that is working as a very strong support. At this time, the 100 simple moving average is almost at $19,300. So it is moving up. The 50 simple moving average is also moving up. 25 is also moving up. And on the 4-hour chart, we have a golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. It is possible that the price action will move down to use the 25,000 resistance level, support level, to use it as a support. And in the meanwhile, the this 50 simple moving average will move more up to provide the support again, like the price action has been doing this. For example, here the price action once rejected by this resistance of this pennant, and after that, in the meanwhile, the 50 simple moving average moved up, and it used the 50 simple moving average as a support and started the next rally. So maybe the price action will wait for the 50 simple moving average to provide the support, or it will move more up to break out the $30,000. More chances that it will wait for the moving average on the 4-hour chart to use it as a support, because if the price action used the different simple moving averages or exponential moving averages before the next rally, that is the firm move. But if the price action don't have any support of the moving averages or pivot support or any kind of support, then the price action can move as fast it was moved up. More than fast, it can move down, and the retracement can be almost 100% as well. So therefore, the moving averages plays a very important role in the next bullish rally. So I'm waiting for this 50 simple moving average to move more up. And this time, if we take a look on the daily chart again, we have between 30 to 40. This is our next resistance, the final resistance. Like in the Bitcoin, if you have watched my video on Bitcoin, I told you that we have 3 touches at the $17,200. Therefore, we cannot say that $20,000 is our final resistance of the Bitcoin. So the main resistance level for the Bitcoin was $17,200. Yes, the $20,000 is a psychological resistance. The Bitcoin can be rejected by that price level. Same is like that. We have, if we take a look here, then we have the common touches not beyond $42,200. We have the spike up to $43,966 up to Binance chart, as per Binance chart. But we have the final 3 touches almost at $42,200. So this is our final resistance level. If it will be broken out, then the price action can move more up to form the next new high. But if we take a look from $30,000 up to this resistance level, then between these 2 resistance levels, we have the minor resistance of almost at $35,000. From $35,000 to $36,000 can be our minor resistance, because here you can see the price action was also rejected almost from this level. So I think once this $30,000 will be crossed up, then the price action may face the next resistance of $35,000. Then it will hit the $42,400. That is our final resistance. But before that, it is very important for the price line to break out this resistance, that is $30,000. For that, we need the 50 simple moving average to move more up. And if the 50 simple moving average on the daily chart will form a golden or bull cross with the 100 simple moving average, then it can produce a really very powerful rally that it can even break the final resistance level as well, because you can see that these moving averages are moving up to form the bull cross or golden cross with the 100 simple moving average. And if we think as our stop loss what we should use, then still my stop loss will be the death cross between the 250 simple moving averages on the 4-hour chart. And you can also use this 25 $1,000 that was resistance level, but it will be working as a support now as your stop loss, because maybe the price action will retest this previous resistance as a support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.